Stop scrolling through thousands of websites. Did you know you can force Google to only show you PDF, Excel, or PowerPoint files from specific high-authority domains? It's called Filetype searching, and it's a game changer for efficient research. Here's the magic command you need to know to unlock this powerful search technique. Why it works. This filters out all advertising content and blogs to extract only official reports or raw data. For example, type site:apple.com Filetype, PDF manual to find specific product guides, or search site:harvard.edu Filetype, PPTAI ethics for academic presentations. See how quickly relevant results appear, without any commercial noise or distractions. Pro tip: combine it with quotation marks for an exact search, like Filetype, PDF secret blueprint.